In today's video, I'm going to give you some apps that you can use in order to earn money automatically. They are very easy to use and you can download them for absolutely free. You just need to follow me step by step so you can learn exactly what you need to do in order to set them up once and then collect your money on autopilot. And stay tuned until the end because I'll give you a bonus app that you can use in order to maximize your profits. But as always, before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you get notified whenever we upload a new video with a brand new strategy. You can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And of course, if you love this type of content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And with all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And since I mentioned at the beginning, I will show you multiple apps that you can use in order to generate some passive income. So let's start with the first one and make sure to keep watching so you can learn everything that you need to do in order to set them up properly. And the first platform is this one here called Make Money. This is over at cm.com Make Money. So you can earn money by receiving text messages, as you can see right off the bat when you come over to their official website. So you're going to get paid real money and you're going to help them improve worldwide communication. So all you need to do is to just download the APK on your phone, then you're going to proceed the installation, you're going to put your phone number, and then you're going to receive SMS and you're going to make money. And as I know that this sounds too good to be true, but actually people are making money with this kind of method and you're going to do the same. So you're going to see here what this platform is about. You're going to let them send you text messages to your phone, and in this way you allow them to test and improve mobile operations. So that's why you are going to get paid. You help them to work together, so you help the mobile operators to work together, and for each message that you're going to receive, you're of course going to earn real money. How you're going to see here how you can earn money with Make Money. So you're just going to download the app on your Android phone. So unfortunately this is available only for Android users, so if you have an iOS device, don't worry, because I'm going to give you an app that you can install on your device and you can make money, and you're going to see that in a minute. So you're going to just follow the registration process, and if you have any question, they have an FAQ that you can read and see all the questions, and you can even send them question if you want to. You're going to verify your phone number, then you're going to send you text messages from time to time, and then you're going to just collect your earnings, and you're going to cash out anytime that you're going to hit the low threshold. As you can see, you can earn cash. This works only on Android, and don't worry about your security because they are extremely safe, and your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules that you can also check out by yourself by clicking here on privacy policy and terms and conditions. So if you have any question, you can even ask them here on search FAQs. They have all of these sections here that you can find, and you can read by yourself. They even offer a referral program, as you can see, so you can make money by also referring people on using this platform, this app, and you can make money again in passive income because you are going to make money automatically by just receiving those SMS. So this was the first platform that I wanted to give you. You just need to download this app and you're going to make money by just receiving text messages. And I'm going to give you another one which is similar to this one, is this one here called Money SMS. This is over at moneysmsapp.com. You're going to see that you're going also to make money with this app by receiving text messages. They allow you to make money automatically by receiving SMS generated by their system and customers. So you're going to see here that this also works only on Android, but anyway, I have an app for iOS users. You're going to earn money here by installing their app. It is 100% secure, so they're not going to read any of your private messages or to use your data, so you don't need to worry about that. You're going to just make money passively. They also offer a referral program. You can refer your friends and earn 30% from their earnings. It is absolutely free, so You don't need to pay anything in order to get started here. As you can see, you're just going to download the APK, and then you're going to just receive automatic SMS, and you're going to get paid, as you can see here, 2 cents when you receive text messages. And once you reach €2 on your balance, you're going to withdraw your money. Here it explains why you're getting paid. So mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries in order to verify the proper delivery of their SMS. So you're just going to help them to provide some testing services. And this is of course legit. As you can see here, they explain everything to you. They comply with the privacy policy requirements. You can also see payment proofs by clicking on these sections right here that they provide you. Of course, if you have any issues and you want to ask them, you can see right here some general questions and also about the payments and referral program. If you want to see more about the installation process, you can click here on APK installation, and you're going to see what you need to do in order to install this app on your device. So this was the second app that I wanted to show you, that you can get paid in passive income automatically by just receiving some text messages. And it's time for me to show you that bonus app, which is also available for iOS devices, and it is this one here called current.us. You can make money here by just listening to music, as you can see right here in this graphic, and you can download it from the App Store and on Google Play Store, as you can see. And you can spend your money by getting gift cards and even cash. You have more than 100,000 of radio stations that you can find and listen to music, and you're going to earn money by just listening to your favorite music. And something that I want to show you are the reviews from App Store and Google Play Store. You're going to see them on App Store. They have over 55,000 of people that have downloaded this app, and they have a rating of 4.5 stars, which is pretty good actually, and shows that people are loving this app. But if you go over to Google Play Store, you're going to see that this app has been downloaded from more than 2 million of people, and it has a rating of 4.4 stars, which is pretty good actually. It is very popular, and people are loving it, and they are making money by just listening to music. And you can see here that they also can play games and can get paid, which is pretty awesome actually. So these were the 3 platforms that I wanted to show you today. Current.us, that you can use in order to just listen to music and make money. You can use Money SMS in order to receive the text messages and earn money, and also make money, which you can also use by getting some text messages, and you can earn money automatically. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.